Okay, now what we're going to do is take all the existing planes and create one 4 inches off from those. So what we'll do here, I had another name for that. I'm just going to call it tool plate. Construction geometry. And with that defined, I'm going to switch to part design and use the plane command. Let's use generative wireframe surfacing. I'm going to go to the plane command, select the left buttock line at 50, and I'm going to go offset 4 inches. And then another plane at, I should have started with the, well no, it's, yeah, I should have started with the stations. Oh well. Left buttock line, 4 inches going in the opposite direction. So I'm going that way and that's good. I'll say okay, and this one here I went the wrong way. So I want to reverse that direction. So that one's definitely going out of it. And then select this one here, reverse the direction, and then this one here. Okay. Then what we're going to do here, I guess this plane is in the wrong direction. Reverse that. This plane is good. I screwed up, made too many planes here. Okay. Okay, so plane 7, just to keep them straight in my head, I'm going to try and rename them right now. That one's at left buttock line 54. This plane over here is left buttock 25 minus 4, so that's 21. So I go to properties, type in LBL 21. This one here, we have station 30 and 50, so this one's at station 30 minus 4. Oh, yeah, there we go. Station 30 minus 4 is station 26. This one's at station 50 plus 4. So that's station 54. Now we're going to take all these elements and copy them. Double click the P1. I need paste special. What am I doing here? Oh, I still got to create. I always do that too. I got to insert a part here. I never did insert the part. So I got to insert the part. With the part in there, I can double click on this. Expand the part. Double click on the body, the part body itself. And paste special. With link. And you see it says external links, and it has all those external links set. So if I select all of these and hit intersect and intersect it to the water line that's the bottom of the part, oops, I grabbed project. I'm going to grab intersect, but first I'm going to grab all my new stations and intersect to this bottom water line and select OK. On this plane, we're going to create a sketch. I'll go normal to view. And I will grab all my intersected elements. And remember, it thinks I'm going to do a project. And I open up my sketch, and there's my projected elements. They're all right on top of the intersection. I have a hard time dealing with them, so I just hide them so I can see my yellow profile. Okay, I can use the trim command and try trimming these like so, but sometimes I find that a pain. So what I found easier actually was just to use your quick trim. Trim these off. You notice that there's yellow lines still shooting out, and those are construction elements beyond that. Okay, so it's recognizing only the outside periphery here. When I exit out of here, go back into my ISO view, and go to the part body, part design, and I'm in this part body. I'm going to make this part body my in-work object. Select, I'm going to move that sketch to where it belongs in the part body. Okay, and those are the edges I'm really grabbing when I use that sketch. We'll do a pad. I'm going to reverse the direction, and we'll make this 2 inches thick and hit preview. Alright, just for kicks here, I'm going to go back to my engineering part. So there's my block. Double click on that. Double click on the part body. You go to properties, color, pick a different color. so I can just distinguish the plate that's the engineering part sitting on. Oh, that engineering part, that's kind of a big part. Let's do this. Let's change this to 22. Okay. Now, we might want to rename that. What the heck did I do? Oops, there we go. We'll change that to 22. Okay, I'm gonna go to my actual tool. See, in reality, if I were to get rid of the engineering part, this is what all I have for my tool right now. It's just the plate itself. All that other stuff would be gone. But I'm gonna have us leave it here because it's just too weird for me to not have it there. Okay, now the moment of truth here. If I were to take this left buttock line, change it to an offset of 8, you have to come all the way back up to the top collector and double click the top collector. Oh no. That is concerning. Why didn't that change? Oh, it's saying it's not linked. So I couldn't change it here. If I double click on this, there's nothing for it to change because it's supposed to be a linked element. These are all isolated. What did I do? Somehow I broke my link. I'm going to double click on this one. If I change this to 8 inches, I'm going to hide the engineering for a sec. What the hell did I do? Well, I'm going to have to investigate what I did wrong here.